Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the Forex market. Today, we'll start by taking a look at Euro USD on the 4-hour chart. We'll start by mapping out the range that we're currently trading in. Of course, we saw the pullback. This was consolidating price action, and it started to retrace back. Now, it looks like it swept the lows of this consolidating range. Now it's pushing up higher prices. You could consider that a bull flag that is breaking out of. Sending price action is breaking out of, starting to take out. It already took out the highs, well, the liquidity sitting over this high, possibly targeting the highs of the overall range to continue pushing higher prices, passing and forming new structure, new range. When these buyers have stepped back in after sweeping these lows, I'm looking for any type of buying opportunity on a lower time frame to see any opportunity where you can get in to take any long positions. Now, still being cautious of any type of dollar news because there is news today. But overall, of course, swing structure is bullish, and fractal structure is also bullish on this 4-hour chart. GBP USD. So let's go ahead and map out the current range. Prices continue to push higher. No type of retracement seen yet. I am looking for any type of retracement back into discount if it does get there, but this is very impulsive buying action from buyers. Then I'll be looking for any type of bullish momentum shift after any type of retracement. It doesn't have to necessarily go back into discount. This area of demand is in discount. Prices have with this pair, unlike Euro USD, have gone ahead and broken out past the highs and continues to push higher. And this is sending price action, not giving any type of retracement. So I'll be looking for any type of retracement when it does happen in order to take any type of buying opportunities when the momentum shifts. AUD USD. So as the dollar continues to push high, let's go ahead and map out the current range. Prices here have not broken out the bearish swing structure, at least on the 4-hour chart. Started to continue to prices trade sideways after this ascending price action. What I was saying yesterday, that this channel has liquidity sitting under that channel. We're looking for any type of retracement back, and then any type of bullish momentum shift back forward, even though the swing structure, like I said, this high has not been taken out yet. So technically still bearish swing structure, but in correlation with other US dollar pairs. It's like the dollar index is still continuing to push down, so that means these pairs will theoretically continue to push up. So looking for any type of retracement, because with the NZD USD, we're going to see that has broken out past the highs of the previous structure. So we're looking for this to go ahead and take this out. This could take this out today. Not looking for any type of buying opportunity because it is too high for me, and I do expect some type of retracement to take out the liquidity, like I said, sitting under these lows. So I'm not looking for any selling opportunities either due to the impulsive nature of the buyers right now. We'll be looking for any type of opportunity once it does retrace back, take any type of long positions in order to expect prices to continue to push to higher prices. NZD USD, let's go ahead and map out the current range. And like I was saying with AUD USD, this has taken out the highs of the previous structure. There is an ascending channel that was forming. And just like with AUD USD, there is liquidity sitting under the lows. Expecting prices to retrace back into discount, looking for an opportunity when that does happen into any type of area of demand. But just like with AUD USD, since this was very impulsive and the buyers are clearly strong in this pair, and it could not retrace back into discount. It could just hit any area of demand and then continue to push prices higher. So right now, prices are just ranging sideways in this area. And once prices decide which direction it goes in, like right now, I'm not looking for any buys. It is too high for me to buy. Since this is the current structure, this current swing structure is bullish. It's too high for me personally to buy. I'm not looking for any sales. You can't sell back down into discount, but it's just been too strong. I don't know when the buyers will step back in once it does start retracing. So just looking for any type of buying opportunities once it does retrace back. looking for any type of long position in order to see prices break out of this current range and go higher. GBP AUD. Let's go ahead and map out the current range. Prices continue to trade sideways. As I've been saying, the buyers weren't able to break past the highs of this range, sellers stepped back in, so now we've just been consolidating sideways. Not truly sure if price has decided which direction it's going to go in. Did tap into this to liquidity sitting over this high of this range. Support is forming under this price action. This is the low of the range. It shouldn't be broken, and I would consider looking for any type of selling opportunities once it does that, if it does. But right now, still a swing structure. Well, swing structure is well, it's just arranged sideways, but fractally it did break this fractal, started to tap into this. So bullish, but no clear direction on where prices will go. Just waiting to see if it can break down further. Then I'll be looking for individual sales. If it does start to break out, then this overall, bullish momentum, it would indicate that the bullish momentum is still in effect, even though right now, sellers have stepped back in. GBP NZD. Let's go ahead and map out the current range. And with this pair, it has been able to go ahead and break down further, take out the lows. Has been able to break down further, take out the lows. And I was saying it's forming descending price action in corrective nature, but it has started to break past, started to take out some of the fractals. So fractally is bullish on the 4-hour chart. Took out this high, starting to possibly take out this high, and I'm looking for any type of opportunity to take any sales back down, because this impulsive move shows that sellers are in control. It could retrace back up to the premium, tap into any type of area of supply, and then continue pushing down. Like I said, this pair has gone further than GBP AUD because it has already broken down past the lows of the previous structure. So bearish swing structure, fractally starting to pull back. So with this retracement, I am looking for any type of selling opportunities. Once I see a bearish momentum shift in an area of supply, or it could just take out this liquidity and then come into the area of premium, and then I'll be looking for any type of sales to take prices back lower. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.